Question 1 would like us to find the value for B. So angles on a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. So we'll have 180 minus 46, and that gives us 134 degrees. And the next question would like us to find the exterior angle here, x. So what I'm going to do, we're going to find all the angles, the value of the angles in the triangle first, because I want to find y. So I'm going to do 50 plus this sign here is indicated that this angle measurement is 90. So 50 plus 90 equals 140 degrees. And to find y now, we see angles in a triangle. We know that angles in a triangle adds up to 180. So that's 180 minus 140. And that gives us 40 degrees. Now we want to find the value of x, and angles on a straight line adds up to 180. So 180 minus 40, and that gives us 140 degrees. And question 3 says complete the statement. Negative 10 is greater than. Negative 10 is less than 9, it's less than 5, and it's less than 0. So the answer is negative 11. So this is because we have a number line, we'll have 0 here, and we'll have 5 over here, and 9 over here. We'll have 10 here, and we'll have 11 here. And when we are going this direction, the numbers are getting smaller. We have negative 10 here, negative 11. So when we're going this direction, the numbers are getting smaller. Question 4 would like us to find the value of x. So to find x, we would have a squared plus b squared equals x squared. So that's the formula. So a is, we would have 9 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared. 9 squared is 81, that's 9 times 9, plus 6 squared is 36, 6 times 6, and that's equal to x squared. 81 plus 36 is 170, and that's equal to x squared. But we have the square here affecting the s, so in order to get it, we're gonna have to find the square root of this side. It gives us x, and the square root of 117, which gives us 10.8. So the answer for that one is 10.8. And the next question now says, find the perimeter of the rectangle. We know that this side is 4, so this side will be 4, and this side is 8, so this side is 8. So basically the two long sides are the same length, and the two short sides are the same length. So you gotta add up all the sides, so it's 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8, and that's supposed to give you 24. Next question says, what is 3/4 as a decimal? So to find 3/4 as a decimal, you simply divide 3 by 4, and that's supposed to give you 0.75. Question 7 is asking us to find 10% of 750. 10, so 10% is out of 100. So 10 divided by 100 times 750. So we're gonna cancel out the 0, cancel 0, 0, cancel 0, 0, cancel 0 here. And 25 times 1, that's 75. So our answer is 75%. So not 75%, our answer is 75. Okay, so this one is a simultaneous equation. It's asking us to find x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this equation 1. I'm going to label this equation 2. No, I'm going to label the second equation 2 here. So I'm going to use equation 2 and solve for y. So you get y equals 3x minus 6. Okay, so that's equation 3. So in order to find x now, I'm going to substitute equation 3, which is this one, into equation 1. So anywhere I see y, I'm going to put this. So you'll have 2x plus 3x minus 6 equals 10. So now we're going to bring over the negative 6. We get equals to 10 plus 6, and 2x plus 3x is 5x, and 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by, and we have the 5x here. To get the x by itself, we're going to divide by 5, divide each by 5. So that's 16 over, the answer is 16 over 5, and 16 over 5 as a mixed fraction is 3 and 1/5. Okay, so the next one is to simplify this. So we're gonna do, in order to simplify, we're gonna multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside. So we're gonna have 3 times x, that's 18x, plus 3 times 4y, that's 12y, and that's equal to 17 times x, that's 17x, minus 17 times y, that's 17. I forgot my x here. That's 17x. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna group the like terms. So we're gonna bring over the like terms and group them. And I forgot my y here again. So we're gonna bring up the x on this side. So that's 18x. And I'm gonna bring over my 17x. When you bring it over, it becomes negative. So negative 17x, that's equal to negative 70y. And I'm gonna bring over my positive 12 to be negative 12y. And negative 17 plus negative 12 is negative 29y, and 17 minus 18 is 1, and 1 is x. X, you don't need to write 1x, that's x. So the answer is x equals negative 29. So we're going to find 15 over 8 as a mixed number. So to find 15 over 8, we say 8 into 15 goes 1 and remainder 7. So the answer is D, 1 and 7 over 8. Okay, question 11 would like us to find the sum of 2/7 and 3/4. So first we need to find LCM. LCM be 28. So 28, 7 divided by 28, that gives us 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 4 into 28, that gives us 7. And we're going to multiply the 7 by the 3, that gives us 21. So there we have. So we're going to add 8 plus 21. So that gives us 29 over 28. That as a mixture is 1 and 1 over 28. We know that's correct because 28 times 1 is 28 plus 1, 28 over 28. So that's the same thing. For this one, we're going to find the product. Product means multiply. So 2, I'm right here, 2.5. I'm going to take out the points and add them in the end. So I'm going to multiply 25 by 5. 5, 5, 25. The 5, 2 5s 10 plus 2, 25 there. And we have 3, we had 2 points, one here and one here. So we need two numbers behind decimal place. So 1, 2, so it's between the 1 and 2. So we get 1.25 as our answer. We know that the formula is it's 100 multiplied the profit over the cost. So in order to find the profit, I first need to calculate the cost, the selling price for the 20 particles, and that's 20 times 30 cents, that's 0.30. And when we multiply that, we're supposed to get 6. And now to find the profit, so profit would equal to the selling price, which is $6, minus the cost price, which is the $5, equal to $1. And now to find the profit percentage, it's 100 times over the 5. The 5, which is the cost, the $5, which is the cost price. So we're gonna go simplify. 5 into 100 goes 20, multiply 20%. Question 16 is asking us to factorize x squared plus 7x plus 12. In order to factorize that, we need to find a number that when we multiply them, we get 12, and when we add or subtract them, we get 7. And that's 3 and 4. X squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. So now we need to find what is common between x squared and 3x and put it outside the bracket. So that's x, and we're left with x plus 3 plus that, and we'll bring back we have 4 times 12 x. The next question is question 17. It's principal times rate times time all over 100. The principal on rate and that's over 100 is simplify and that's 5 times 4 is 7 and that should give us 222. And this one now it says we're supposed to simplify this x squared minus 1 that's simply x in bracket x minus 1 all over x1. So right away we can see that we're with only x. So the answer here next one says that if there are 4 white balls, 5 black ones, and 5 black ones in a bag, what is the probability of choosing a black? So the probability is 5. So that's it for question 19. And question 20 says find the average age of a team of boys. So it's 15.4. So 15.4 plus you have other boys that are 40.9 multiplied by 3. That's not 3 on the total adjustments, which is 4 parents. So after simplifying it out, we're supposed to get 50 years and 1 month.